Alright, as I'm looking at this diagram here, for the rear doors, this one here's the driver's side. A connector is for the actual car itself, the actual wiring on the door, not to the body. And I've already got it labeled, but A6 and A7 is for the lin and power for the ambient lighting. And B connector is the actual body harness, what runs through the whole car itself. And it looks like it ain't even wired up for it, but the actual wiring can be. On mine it is, because I took it off of a 13 fusion, but I'm adding the correct one for the 17. Apparently the 17 fusion wiring for the actual door itself does not have pin A6 and A7, so I'll have to rerun that wire there from the door harness to the actual connector. And on the body one, B6 and B7, there's nothing there. Alright, so I'm at the car. This is going to be your B and your A connector. It's going to be here, the bottom one. So I have to re-look on the thing and match up the pins. See which one goes on here. I think it was like B6 and B7, so I'll have to look over here and find out what is what on it. So you see pin 7 all the way on the bottom left corner, and right next to it on the towards the right is going to be pin 6, which is B6 and B7. So those is not wired up to the actual car itself. So I'll have to see, like I said, plug it in to wherever it goes. Matches this way here. So if I'm looking at it, probably going to be the one somewhere. I'll have to look. Alright, so I don't know how well I can get it, but let's see if I can point. It's right where the tip of my finger is, those two pins on the bottom. That's A6 and A7 on there. So all I have to do is get the wires, tap it into B6 and B7, and run it through the harness. I'm probably going to do it like they did here. Run it through here. Looks like it comes out to here, if I'm not mistaken. Then it will run along the steel plates here, and I'll splice it in with the other ones. That's where I'm at so far for the rear doors on there. And when I get my new door harness, as you can tell, the 13 fusion is a little bit different than a 17. That's not the way it's supposed to look like. It's a little bit too long. But when I get the correct door wiring harness, it won't be looking like that, all bunched up and probably ripping some wires up. I noticed the little lock indicator doesn't light up at all anymore now. But I'll have to repin from here to the ambient lighting on the door, like I did with this driver's front door. So that's just a little progress of where I'm at so far for the rear door of the ambient lighting. Thanks for watching.